Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Razer headset supports USB audio on consoles. Some models need an inline DAC or 3.5mm adapter. Once done, power on your Xbox Series X and sign in so you can test audio under your profile. Next, gather the headset's USB cable and any adapters, and keep a controller nearby to navigate menus. This gets you straight into the console's hardware flow and prevents surprises. Make sure firmware on the headset is up to date if applicable. You now plug the Razer headset directly into a rear USB port on the Xbox. Avoid USB hubs during the first setup to rule out power or recognition issues. Then navigate Settings, General, Volume, and Audio Output, and look for a USB headset or digital audio device entry. Select it. After selection, adjust headset volume, mic monitoring, and party chat/game balance so you hear the mix correctly. If you need controller chat controls, make sure the controller is synced and set to the same profile for consistent behavior. You finish by testing in a party or a game to confirm both game audio and microphone transmission. Speak into the mic and watch party indicators for input. If the headset isn't recognized, unplug and replug, try different USB ports, then restart the console. These quick resets often resolve enumeration issues. If the mic still fails or firmware seems required, connect the headset to a PC to run Razer Synapse and apply updates. After updating, reconnect to Xbox and recheck settings to complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.